Here's a surprising fact. Python's threading can actually make CPU-intensive code run slower than single-threaded execution. The culprit? The Global Interpreter Lock, or GIL. The GIL is a mutex that protects Python objects, preventing multiple threads from executing Python bytecode simultaneously. Even on a multi-core CPU, only one thread can hold the GIL and execute at a time. For CPU-bound tasks like number crunching or image processing, threads take turns waiting for the lock, completely negating any parallelism benefit. This is where understanding your workload type becomes critical. CPU-bound tasks spend most of their time doing calculations like data analysis or encryption. I/O-bound tasks spend time waiting for external operations like network requests or file reads. For CPU-bound work, multiprocessing creates separate processes with their own Python interpreter and GIL, achieving true parallelism. For I/O-bound tasks, threading works great because threads release the GIL while waiting, allowing other threads to run. The key difference in memory architecture. Threads share the same memory space, meaning they can access the same variables directly, but need careful synchronization to avoid race conditions. Multiprocessing gives each process its own isolated memory space, eliminating race conditions but requiring explicit communication through queues or pipes to share data between processes. Multiprocessing isn't free though. Creating processes has significant overhead compared to threads, taking milliseconds instead of microseconds. Interprocess communication adds latency and complexity. You also use more memory since each process duplicates the interpreter. Choose multiprocessing when the CPU-bound work justifies these costs. Bottom line. Use multiprocessing when you need true parallelism for CPU-intensive tasks and can afford the overhead. Use threading for I/O-bound work, where shared memory and lower overhead matter. Practice explaining this distinction until it's second nature. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.